In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Immersive Reader in Microsoft Word. Immersive Reader is a powerful feature in Microsoft Word designed to improve readability and help you focus on your text. It's especially useful for reducing distractions, enhancing comprehension, and making reading more comfortable, whether you're reviewing a document, studying, or editing content. To begin, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once your file is ready, go to the View tab at the top of the screen. In this section, look for the option labeled Immersive Reader and click on it. As soon as you select it, your document will switch into a clean, distraction-free reading mode. In Immersive Reader view, you'll notice that the interface becomes simpler, with fewer tools visible. This allows you to concentrate on the text without unnecessary elements on the screen. The background color may also change to a softer tone, which helps reduce eye strain during extended reading sessions. At the top of the screen, you'll find several options to customize your reading experience. One of these is Text Preferences, where you can adjust the font size, spacing, and overall layout of the text. Increasing spacing between letters and lines can make the content easier to read, especially for longer documents. Another useful option is Grammar Tools. This feature allows you to break words into syllables and highlight different parts of speech, such as nouns, verbs, and adjectives. This can be particularly helpful for learning and understanding sentence structure. You can also use the Reading Preferences option to change the background color or focus on one line at a time. This helps guide your eyes through the text and minimizes distractions from other parts of the document. If you want to exit Immersive Reader, simply click the Close Immersive Reader button, usually located at the top of the screen. Your document will return to the standard editing view and you can continue working as usual. By using Immersive Reader, you can create a more comfortable and focused reading environment in Microsoft Word, making it easier to review and understand your documents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.